how to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account and just click on this profile section over here. So as you can see, I have my draft ready over here. I can't actually send this draft directly because TikTok will not give you any option to directly send this your draft video. So in that case, what you need to do is just come over, open up your draft video, any of your draft video, and click on next from over here. And instead of posting this for everyone, just click on this only you, which is your privacy setting, so it will be available in your private, and just click on post from over here. So once you post your video, you can find that video in under your private section under here. So once you re-log in with your this TikTok account on the new phone, you will be seeing this same video under your private section by simply coming over to this private section, which is a lock icon over here, and you can simply download this particular video or save this video on your new device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.